I cannot find everything I need for my work in my studio, so that's why I do artist in residencies. And every residency offers you a different source of inspiration. This one is a connection with nature directly.
I saw people doing residencies at the national parks. I said, oh, that sounds very exciting.
Even if a place like the Grand Canyon has been written about and art has been made about and poems have been written about it, an artist is still going to find something new to talk about.
Everybody is coming here with different perspectives, different projects, different goals, and 6 weeks is a short time, but there's so much you could do in that short time.
I think this is an incredible, wonderful program to apply. It's a landscape with a very complex information. And when you get out, you have all this information that make you feel a different human being.
You really get to know the canyon in a way that most visitors don't. This is a wonderful place to work in and a wonderful place to live in, but to know it is something that I'll cherish for the rest of my life.